As part of this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Esp Adf as part of the Espressif IDE. Um, okay, so first go to the Esp Adf releases section. You will find the latest release, and there are some set of instructions how to get the Esp Adf into your to the system. The first thing is probably I'll get started with this, the cloning the Esp Adf. So this will clone Esp Adf version 2.4.1. That's the latest one. So this also brings the Esp IDF, which is compatible. Alright, so the cloning is done. Do the git checkout. So then try to get the all the submodules. Once the submodules update is completed, we could configure the Esp ADF path in the Espressif IDE. So let me take this path. Go to the Espressif IDE. So within this, there is the preferences. So we could add this variable adf underscore path. And then you could run the install tools. Click on the install tools from the Espressif menu. So you need to select the Esp IDF directory. So this will be from the ADF. So here is my Esp IDF from the ADF. And make sure you configure the Git and Python executable locations. Click on install tools. So if you're configuring for the first time, this is going to take some time because it needs to install all the required toolset and also configure all the environment variables which are required. Fine, so install tools is completed now. Let me go and verify the preferences page. As you could see, there are a couple of things which are configured now. IDF path and OpenOCD scripts which are required, especially if you want to do debugging and other stuff. So just click on apply and close. You're done on that. So alright, so next, since we have configured the environment, probably we could import an example from the ADF list. For that, click on file, click on import existing IDF project. Yeah, so the menu shows existing import, importing the IDF project, but probably you could also use it for ADF as well. All it's going to create is required Eclipse artifacts. So let me select some of the examples from here. Go to the examples list and go to the get started. So select the MP3 control and make sure you copy this project into the workspace. So now we have the project in the workspace. What we could do is we could try to run this project. Click on the build button. Yeah, so it is an error probably which needs a fix from the Eclipse CDT. But what we could do is so it's basically trying to prevent the area path before the existing path. We can go to the preferences. So as we added the ADF underscore path, just click on the required environment variable and click on edit and click OK. So this is basically going to override the the environment variables. Just click on OK, close. That's all. So now try to build again. Probably the error will disappear now. Alright, I think the error is gone now. It started building the project. Yeah, once the build is completed, as you could see, all the headers and the remarkers are gone, and all the headers are also reserved. So yeah, that's pretty much it we would like to show.